Mũtongoria wa Nthigũrũ William Ruto augĩte Kenya nĩ ĩgũitanĩria ngũgĩ na kamĩtĩ ya Matinda ja Olympics kĩmanthigũrũ nĩ International Olympics Committee rwang'i rwa kĩmanthigũrũ rwa kũrũngamĩra Amatûki United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees kenda kũgwata mbaru Amatûki baria bari Kenya gũtonya kĩrĩ MICETHO. Ruto ariuga matagairĩra ija gũkĩria BIEWA bia Amatûki bia MICETHO na kuo kambi ya Kakuma irere kaunti ya Kakuma ikakaumo gakanene kaiyewa bibi ntukune chia rodu. Ruto arĩte ndera gũtrimene na RAIS wa kamiti ya kĩmanthigũrũ ya Olympics Thomas Bach na kamishna wa UNHCR no Filippo Grandi.
Shirika plan is our plan. We developed it and we did it intentionally. And we did it because we have been host to refugees for many years. And many of them have grown up in our country. They've been born here. They don't know any other home. Kenya is their home. And therefore, it became absolutely necessary for us to say, look, I mean, these people have been here with us. It's time we recognized that they are going nowhere, and therefore it is as well that we treat them as citizens. Instead of them being a burden to us, we should find a way of making them a resource, and using their talent, their knowledge, their education for the benefit of the country, because in any case, they are part of us.
This is where all the cultures, everyone, come to play at the apex of the sports. And for us as a Kenya, we have been part and parcel of this organization for many years, and we have done exceptionally excellent, especially within the continent, that we have been leading for many, many years. And we appreciate the support of our government and many other stakeholders that have been able to support us. So I want to say that, which I think Mr. Ba, the president of IOC, doesn't know, that we have in our government a president who loves sports wholeheartedly. He's a fan and he's very active in all the major mass sports that we always do. In running, he's #1. And we do appreciate your excellency because you are leading from the front. And we do appreciate so much.